right, another day out here on the water. One of the beautiful things about spot lock is that you do not have to tie off to the dock. You kind of push your boat off, control it with the remote, which is right here. What's up? This is Ryan Johnson with moneybass.com, back here out here on the lake again. Today I think we're gonna do a little something different. Might, of course, try the drop shot 1 or 2 times, see how that goes. But we got some nice weather out here. Water temps around 84 degrees. Looks like it'll probably be a good day. I went ahead and changed my setup up. I put my 2 10s on the console, went ahead and put that 12-inch mega imaging unit at the bow of the boat so I can run the 360 off of that today. So let's go out here, do a little bit of scanning, stick 1 or 2 and see how the day goes. All right, let's get it moving. All right, of course, you know I had to have a little bit of fun with some drop shot fish today. You can actually see these dots, these little white dots in here. So there's a lot of fish out here on this point. So all I have to do basically is just move up a little bit and I can drop straight down on them. Good to always keep the net ready. All right, so I had some fun out here playing around with these smaller fish, but now that they are getting active, I'm gonna head on out to some other locations and see if I can locate some bigger fish. Lost him at the boat. But at least I see they're biting. Some nice little school down there. They're not really that big. I'll see if I can get one more to bite, and then I'm going to take off and head to another location. Right, it's a little bit better fish, I think. Let's see. Down there feeding up good. All right, you guys see that stomach on there? Now that right there is what you might call a mega school. Got a brush pile right there, and all of those are fish. That's what they look like on sonar. And there's down scan again. All right, let me hop on these and see if I can pull 1 or 2 out of here. could tell that fish was on there. It was just sitting there holding the thing in its mouth. Feels like this is a good fish. Hopefully I can get him to the boat. But it's a lot of them down there. It's a lot of them down there. But they're still real finicky. It's hard to get them to bite. Now I'm thinking whatever this fish looks like is going to be a representation of what else is down there. Let's see what we got. Spot. All right, so that's a nice school of fish that's down there. It's just hard to get them to bite, but when they do, it's a lot of fun getting them to the boat. All right, let's see if we can get a few more out of there. Alright, that one picked it up on the fall. Feels like it might be about the same size as the last one. Alright, a little bit smaller than the last one. Still a nice keeper. Alright, having some fun out here on the lake. Now that's a small one. This is it right here. It's called the Troll Tamer. It'll secure the trolling motor in place, so once you pull that thing down and stow it, it'll lock it in position for you and prevent it from bouncing around, because that has been known to break some of the components within the trolling motor itself and to just loosen up the screws and things like that over time. Got it cleaned up and ready to go. All right, there we go, fellas.